Welcome to Africell Tips and Tricks episode. Today's episode is about mobile maintenance. So let's dive in. Protect your device from scratches, cracks, or any damage by using screen protector and a protective case. Cache and temporary files can accumulate on your device, taking up good storage space and slowing down performances. Use inbuilt tools or third-party apps to clear cache and temporary files. Frequently review the storage space on your device and remove unnecessary files, apps, photos, and videos. Consider transferring large files to cloud or external storage device to free up some spaces. Install reputable antivirus or security software from a trusted app store on your device to protect against malware, viruses, and other security threats. Make sure you use these tips and tricks for a long durability of your mobile phone. See you in the next episode.